how to blur your background image so that you can see your icons better, because if it's too sharp then the icons are barely visible. Okay, so find the picture where it is on your hard drive. In my case is this one, and I will use, press enter, I will use FastStone Image Viewer. And in this program you can press the enter key so that you will switch between these two views. Come here to color, sharpen/blur, or just press Ctrl+U on the keyboard. And here's the amount. You can slide it to the left and the image is clear, and slide it to the right and the image is blurred. Click OK. Now go to File, Save As. Let's store it on the desktop. Let's call it Blur. You can modify the quality from there if you want, and save. Now here is the blurred image. Double click on that one. It's also opening, I just pressed enter, using FastStone Image Viewer. Enter again, and in this program right click on it, go to wallpaper and set as wallpaper. But let's just see it, what will happen. You can press Ctrl+W also. So press Ctrl+W and this sharper image will be replaced by a blurred version. So Ctrl+W, set as wallpaper, and the image was blurred. And now the icons are more visible, especially the text.